Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of waxing and explore the pros and cons of DIY waxing versus professional waxing. So which one is right for you? First, let's talk about DIY waxing. The pros include convenience, affordability, and the ability to wax at your own pace. However, the cons include potential messiness, the need for proper sanitation, and the risk of burns or infections if not done correctly. Now, let's discuss professional waxing. The pros include expert knowledge, proper sanitation, and a more comfortable experience. The cons include the cost, potential discomfort, and the need to schedule an appointment. So, which one is right for you? It really depends on your personal preferences, budget, and comfort level. If you're a first-timer or have sensitive skin, it might be best to start with professional waxing. But if you're experienced and comfortable with the process, DIY waxing could be a great option. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.